Hello Firebirds, I'm PK Hoppy and I'm here with Addison Hahn, bringing you today's GP news from the library. Today is Tuesday, October 29th. Weather for today is sunny. Current temperature is 46 degrees with a high of 69 degrees.
Today for lunch we're having pork chop with a fresh dinner roll, loaded mashed potatoes, and assorted fruit. In sports news, basketball tryouts are November 4th after school from 3:15 to 4:30. And for volleyball players, make sure to get your uniforms turned in.
In other GP news, attention all 5th and 6th graders. Battle of the Books Round 1 is today, Tuesday, October 29th. Please report to the library by 1 p.m. Battle of the Books starts at 1:15 p.m. Good luck. This week is Spirit Week. Today is Vacation Day. Wednesday is Teacher-Student Swap Day. Kids dress like teachers and teachers dress like kids. Thursday is Character Day. Dress as your favorite character that's school appropriate. And Friday is Gavilan Peak Spirit Day. Dress in GP colors. Remember, Firebirds, no props. Thank you so much. Who is ready for the pumpkin decorating contest on Thursday? Remember to drop off your entries first thing at 7:55 a.m. in the center quad. May the best pumpkin win. NJHS Spookygrams are now available. They will be sold in the center quad in the morning through October 29th, and in homeroom classes Thursday and Friday. A bouncy ball or a ring pop is 50 cents. Thank you.
Here's the joke of the day. What monster makes a light? A lampire. That's all we have for announcements today.
Have a tremendous Tuesday.
This is Addison Hahn and PK Hoppy signing off for GP News.